Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to take a look today at Boeing. I had a chart request for Boeing in our room today, which is what brought attention to it for me, because I really like the original setup because we've got that point of symmetry, and then underneath that we actually have a cluster. I would risk underneath that 224.98 to 227.66 if we were closer to that zone. But you know, we have taken off from that zone. We have the highest time frame trigger that we typically look at is a 30-minute trigger, and we triggered on a 30-minute a long time ago, back at what looks to be maybe about 242, 243 there. So we had our setup, we had our trigger, and now we are looking at the target of 291.31 and 307.53. But what if you're not already in Boeing and you are wanting to get in, because this is a royal setup? That pink dotted line is the 200, the green one is the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy. And you're not in yet and you want to weigh in. Well, I have a client like that in my room right now as we speak, and she asked me to run a pullback. So I did on a 15-minute chart. So now I have a closer zone of risk for you. We're looking at 250.39 to 250.69, or you could come all the way down to this point of symmetry, 249.88, as your zone of risk. It has bounced, and we are going to have some resistance on the way up, so I do want you to be a cautious bull. We're having resistance around 253.98 and 254, and then 254.96. But if that low is in place from today and we get through that resistance, we're going to have a target of 263.10 and 266.44 on the 15-minute chart, okay? But you can use this 15-minute zone of risk for the higher time frame trigger on the daily. So I want you looking at both charts, the daily chart and also the 15-minute chart. All right, everybody, that is all I have for you for now, but I hope y'all have an awesome rest of the day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me